even in Ashley Orwell's absence, she's still making the loudest noise, and it's beautiful seeing the love and support that she's getting, guys. Because we know Wuzi, she is dearly loved, and she's definitely loved. And while she's still recovering, all we gotta do is push. And we're definitely doing that. Look at that 167K post with Ashley Ogle, our priority, and Ashley Ogle winning era and a good 166K post, which is everything and more, guys. I mean, it shows Wuzi, the love is real, the support is massive, and I feel like Faves knowing that she's actually taking some downtime and recovering makes it even more of a motivation to push and be like, girl, we're giving you nothing but proud moments here. We want you to be like, yeah, my people are doing the most. And I'm sure she's pretty proud, guys, seeing Wuzi, even when she's not there and she's not in full work mode, until she gets better. There's still love. Let's keep the smile right on her face and show her Wuzi, as in we are in this together, we are pushing together, we are definitely doing this as a team. And I'm just hoping she's gonna be better before Saturday, so that she's there to do the meet and greets. 28th of June, this coming Saturday, from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., where you can actually meet the one and only, the queen, and get to be in the comfort of her beautiful smile, her warm hugs, her presence, her love, and just gets massive love from her, and vice versa. So we can't wait for that, because there's always amazingness and greatness happening with her and for her, and just seeing her get this one again. Siyavuma Shem, Siyavuma, and we know also there's still going to be more meets and greets when it comes to the brands that she's working with. Someone was like, they hope Wusi Era will actually have one. I hope so too. That would be really nice. Please do subscribe, comments, like, and share. See you on my next one.